guys, what is up? It's your girl Rachel and Nighttime Mommy Reviews, and today we're going over 5 tips and tricks for the Ninja Foodi Grill for beginners. You guys, this can be a very daunting device at first, but once you get to start using it, you guys learn to fall in love with the device. I love this device. You know, it starts with commercials, and then when you see what they can do and you start doing it yourself, it can be life-changing. I'm always on the rush. This device is amazing for people who are on the rush. You guys, it makes quick, easy meals without having to worry about it. I love it. And I have recipes on my channel and how-to videos with the Ninja Foodi Grill itself. So make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you aren't already subscribed for more videos on the Ninja Foodi Grill itself. We're going to go ahead and get started. If you're interested in any of the items that I explain or use in my video today, be sure to check the description box below. But let's get started. Tip number 1 is actually a trick also for easy cleanup. Now what you can do is line the base of your pan with aluminum foil if you're making anything that's going to be really greasy. If you're making bacon or using your air fryer basket, you can actually line the base pan as the heating element is on top. It is not from the bottom of the actual device. So you can line it with aluminum foil or even parchment paper. I have found that they make these 9x13 sheets of parchment paper, and I bought a box of them, so I use it just for easy cleanup, just because you're already going to have to clean the actual grill plate. So having the parchment paper or aluminum foil is an option when cleaning the actual grill, just for easy cleanup. And I'll show you how the 9x13 sheets fit right in here. So you guys, perfect. You just place it in there, make your meal, comes right out. Easy cleanup. Tip number 2 is how to bypass preheating. You guys, if you end up in a position where your grill shuts off and you're like, ugh, I gotta preheat all over again, you don't. Let me show you how. So you're gonna turn on your grill. Let's say, you know, your air crisp being at 390 degrees for 20 minutes. And oh no, the grill shut off. You ran out of time, but the meat or something you're cooking still needs more time. Don't worry. Let me show you how to turn it back on and skip that preheating. So, power went off or the timer ended. Now you don't want to preheat again. Select the function again. Select start, but at the bottom it says preheat. If you click it or touch it, you can start cooking without having to preheat again. Tip number 3 is how to avoid your grill from smoking. You guys, I get this very often is, Rachel, my grill's smoking. What's going on? Now, the thing is that this oil or this machine or this device actually will smoke if you put a high smoking or a low smoking point oil. So let's say you have canola oil, but the smoking point is 390 degrees, but you're grilling at 500 degrees. It's actually going to smoke because it only is resistant to smoke up until that degree point. So high smoking point oils that work well with this grill, avocado oil. You guys, I'm using an Evil oil sprayer. This avocado oil is perfect. It doesn't add any flavor to your food. It's just an oil. So I love it. It's perfect for crisping up your food. You can also use grapeseed oil. I'll have a list of approved oils that actually work really well with this grill. My favorite is avocado oil, so that's why I'm showing you that one, but I'm using avocado oil in my Evil oil sprayer. Tip number 4 actually has to do with thermometer probe. So with this thermometer probe, it has a dual tip point. So you have one tip here and one, well, actually you have one point here and another point here. So it's reading the temperature at this point and this point versus a traditional thermometer probe only reads the temperature at the tip. So you're getting 2 points of measurement for the actual meat temperature. Now, the tip is actually when you're cooking meats. Rachel, my meats are 2 different sizes. What am I supposed to do when I'm cooking meats that are 2 different sizes? When the meat is 2 different sizes, what you're going to want to do is insert the probe into the smallest meat. The reason is the smallest meat is going to cook fastest. So, by inserting it into the smallest meat, you're actually going to cook that, and then you can switch it over to the next meat that's larger so it can continue cooking until it's done. Alright, and then the first tip or the second tip I mentioned, how to bypass preheating. That's where you can use that. If you say, Rachel, my grill shut off, I don't want to preheat again. That's where that comes in handy. Tip number 5 also has to do with the thermometer probe. You guys, right now I'm going to insert a clip as to how to insert the thermometer probe into meat. You guys, I get the question a lot, is Rachel, you know, my meat's not cooking right with the thermometer probe. What am I doing wrong? And it's not necessarily what you're doing wrong. It's just having the right way to insert the thermometer probe. It does come on the grill. There is a sticker on the side when you receive the grill, how to insert the thermometer probe. It's just making sure you get the thermometer probe in the thickest part. So I'll show you that now. If your steaks are ever different sizes, because all steaks can't be alike, or meats, then what you're going to want to do is choose the smaller one to put the probe in, and then later on you can, once the first one finishes, then you can put it in the other one. So you'll just carefully remove it. Now what I did was I put it right through the center, straight to the center, because it has that dual sensor. You never want to go up pointing into it. You want to go through the side all the way into the thickest part of the meat. And those were my 5 tips and tricks for beginners on how to use the Ninja Foodi Grill XL. You guys, this grill can be a game changer for most households. You guys, I love it. It's actually my go-to device amongst the other Ninja devices. The Ninja Foodi Grill is actually what started my obsession with Ninja devices. So that's what we're doing today, or that's what we did today. Make sure you hit that like button. Hit that subscribe button if you aren't already subscribed for more videos on the Ninja Foodi Grill XL on my channel, Nighttime Mommy Reviews. But until next time, you guys have a great night.